Hey everybody, Melissa here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you're all here. So today we're going to be in PowerPoint and I'm going to show you how to do something for no other reason than I think it's fun. I am addicted to cropping images to shapes in PowerPoint. If I'm doing a presentation and I have an image and I can get away with it, I'm going to crop it to a shape. Now there's sometimes, depending on your audience and what you're presenting, it would not be professional or appropriate to crop your image to a shape. But I can generally find at least one slide in my presentation that I can do this with, and I can't wait to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I've got a cute image here of a puppy dog with glasses reading a magazine. And I want to crop it, but I don't want it to be the traditional, let's just make it smaller crop. I want to make it a completely different shape. So what we can do is click on the image, go to picture format, go to crop to shape, and we have all kinds of shapes that we can choose from in here. We can make it say a cloud. We can make it say a triangle. Or we can make it my favorite, especially when it comes to puppy dogs, and make it a heart. Click outside of it and your image is cropped. And there you have it. How easy was that? Pretty cool, huh? Just keep in mind who your audience is and what type of data you're presenting before you crop an image to a shape. But if you can get one in there, it would be the perfect way to make your PowerPoint presentation a little bit more fun. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel before you go. And if you have any questions, feedback, or ideas for future content, drop me a comment and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, thanks so much for watching.